NME is one of the world's most important music magazines, a publication that has always valued up-and-coming bands. In Brazil, everybody's listening to new music on SoundCloud. SoundCloud shows the sound waves of songs. How could we advertise in a place without media? NME presents the Sound Typeface, a completely new form of media. An alphabet written on sound waves. We developed a way to write using the waves, a unique way of showing that wherever there's music, there's NME. We sculpted the waves until they formed letters and composed a soundtrack for each one. With these letters, we created a piece for NME. Afterwards, we went in search of new Brazilian bands and placed the piece before their songs. Every time the band promotes the song, they're promoting NME as well. Every time a song is embedded on another website means more free media for NME. People would search for new music and find NME. Internet has changed the way we listen to music. NME changed the way we see it. NME. Where there's music, there's NME.